Today's gonna be almost 70. I'm kidding, it's going to be 70 today. And that means I want to be outside as much as possible, okay? So I think I might just do a photography video today, honestly. But I'm gonna change into black. This is just for my outfit video idea. This isn't New York, unfortunately. They don't mind their business. They're kind of all up in your grill in Philly. So they stare at you. So, you know, but it's fine because I am from a small town. I'm used to people being, like, I'm used to being stared at. I'm also a masculine lesbian, so, I mean, come on. Hit me with something else, please. So I think the plan today is just to be outside and just take some really cool photos. The issue is with everything is that I have a lot of videos to still edit. I'm uploading my podcast now, but like I still have my weekend video to edit. I still have my yesterday video to edit on my camcorder. You know, so it's like I need to be editing, but the issue is that I just want to go outside. I just want to be in the sun. I need to put sunscreen on too. Everybody remind me to put sunscreen on because if I don't, I'm just gonna fade away. Okay, so a little boost of energy so I can get this stuff done so we can go outside. That is my reward today, is to go outside. I need to edit this big video. Also, I'm not even sure that I want to film on this camera. It's so shaky. It doesn't have stabilization because there's a lens attached to it. It's just like all over the place. It's so jittery. But I don't have money enough to buy a new lens. It's fine, I just switched the lens, that's all. Which is annoying because I paid for this adapter, but like, I like the wide angle dark vignette on the sides that you get, but like, you know, it comes at a price. It has to be like a sit down lens. It cannot be an actively moving all the time. See, this one's a lot better. It's not as shaky. Okay, I don't know what it is. So, like, I'm watching some of this stuff that I've filmed, and like, I don't know why, but like, it's so blurry. Like, my camera is so blurry. Like, why? I don't understand, like, what's up with this camera. Like, this camera has been having focus issues, like, ever since I started, like, reusing it. It's just struggling to focus a lot, and I just don't understand its issue. It's on all the things that I've had it on for a while. I just don't understand the focus thing. I've gotten so many things where it's just like in and out of focus, and then like sometimes it'll just be blurry, and I'm like, bro, like what is going, like, what do you mean? Like, it's on autofocus tracking. Like, I don't, if anybody in the comments knows why my G7X is having a focus issue, let me know. Honestly, this thing has been through hell the past few years. I mean, I got it in 2020, so it's been like, what, 5 years? And it's definitely gotten wet and all this stuff. So maybe it's time to get a new point and shoot. I don't really know. Like, it's fine for like photos and stuff, but like when it comes to video, it just has a very hard time focusing. And like some of my travel vlogs, like some of the footage is blurry and I have to cut it out. That's my little rant. It's 11:45 right now. This is not how I expected my morning to go. So I had to, you know, while I was editing, I got, you know, an email. Okay, you got to book your flight. You got to request the funds, book your flight and everything. Well, I need to get those accounts set up. So I needed to get United. I needed to get to Canada because, you know, I'm going to Canada, which is crazy, but I needed to get Air Canada and, you know, I had to get the miles and everything because, you know, what's the point of flying anywhere if you can't get the miles? So I got, you know, I got the app and then I got locked out of my United account and then I had to call somebody and then I had to text somebody and then, you know, I had to figure out how to unlock my account because I answered my security questions wrong because my, you know, tastes change over time, you know, like they do in life. I also have to get like banking information because, you know, the people that I work for are now switching to another account. And so now I have to get all my banking information, you know, by the end of this week and really by the end of Thursday because Thursday is when I leave for the weekend. So, you know, life happens. you know, and things just start happening to you throughout the day, and that's just kind of how it is. Almost lunch, and I've only edited one video. It's 15 minutes long, but you know, there's still another video to edit, and then I have another video that I did yesterday to edit. So I don't know if I want to be doing street photography video today because I'm just already doing so much editing. Bun, tuna, lettuce, sweet chili. I think you know where I'm going with this. Watch. When my cat hears this tuna can start to open, she gets very excited. Watch this. Look at her come over here. So excited. She's spoiled in this house. Making a lovely little tuna patty. And then I might have Rose lick the rest of this. I don't really know. Here's how she looks so far, right? A little bit messy, but that's fine, okay? Put some lettuce, okay? Yeah, is that too much lettuce? Throw a little hoisin sauce in there. Yeah, I might have a little red 40 in here, but hey, listen. Yeah, that's okay. You're gonna die of something, especially in America. All right, the result. I have 2 reindeer looking like turds. Okay, those are dates. But this is what I made. It's gonna be bussin'. Little tuna hoisin sauce moment here. Okay. Well, it's solid. Pretty good. I've been walking around the city, smelling all kinds of, you know, burgers and joints and stuff, and kind of want a little burger moment, but with tuna, because I don't eat meat like that. I love tuna salad sandwiches, but we don't have mayos, because Haley's kind of, you know, allergic to it, so. But when I'm out and about doing work and stuff, I'll have a tuna salad sandwich. I'll be doing that. It doesn't have, you know, all those calories in it from the mayo. Granted, I need those calories on the road because I'm stressing myself out to the point where my body is literally eating itself. Anybody else have that kind of stress, you know? You ate that shit, Rose? Yeah? Yeah. Nobody likes tuna like me and Rose do, okay? Let's take that back. See, they always have energy after you feed them. It's like having a kid. So I put on some entertainment for her. It's her favorite show. Isn't that right, Rose? Update, 12:38. Another vlog is rendering. The other one is uploading to YouTube. And my cat is still watching the TV. Although she's getting bored. Can somebody tell me what this floof here is doing? All right, I'm gonna go outside in a few minutes when my video is done, like rendering and stuff. But, you know, I see so many people, you know, moving to Bali, going to Costa Rica. You know, maybe it's time for me to go to Italy and stay there. I feel like life is just so much better in countries that don't have hustle culture. I like Philly though, but like I'm trying to go to another country. My brain needs to go for a walk. I've been cooped up inside for so long. Okay, I changed my outfit like 14 different times, and this is just what we're going with. This is it, and I'm walking out the door now. I really wish I had some black sneakers. Okay, Mom, I put sunscreen on. Can I go now? Smells like cheese and Philly cheesesteaks and meat. Like the fast food district, so like everybody and their mama comes here, and especially since it's warm, everybody comes out. photos. I'm just gonna let you guys see the photos. It's so funny when I try to take pictures of things, because then people look at the things that I'm trying to take pictures of, like, at least I get them to notice like some of the little details, you know, just a little bit. I feel good. Degrees and lemonade. Okay, did you guys know that these like apartments here, they're $2.5 billion, and there's like 10 of them, and they're like half of them are owned, so that means somebody's paying like $2.5 billion. I'm sorry, what? They get like a balcony and like all this stuff, and a garage, private garage and stuff. $2.5 billion. It's like called like a apartment mansion or an apartment mansion condo something. So me and Rose are hanging outside, enjoying the little balcony. I feel like the reason why I like walk so much is that like I can let my ADHD just go. I can notice someone's wearing a really nice J. Crew, you know, crispy shirt that never wrinkles. It's like iron free, really nice suit, you know, businessmen. Or, you know, if a woman walks past me, I notice that they're wearing perfume, or, you know, how that person that just walked past me's day, you know, is gonna go, or how it's looking. Or how someone's shoes are worn when they walk and how they're worn on the heels of them. Like I can be so observant. I can take photos of things, just be wherever my brain wants to be. They just make my brain have a break, and by break it means focusing on so many different things, and it's nice. Haley sent me some homework, which basically these are all like vegan places to go for our anniversary tomorrow. So I have to let her know what kind of, you know, where we're gonna go. She's just making herself comfy. Look at her.
So this is gonna be a very quick trip. The first thing I need to do while I'm here is order. And can I?
Basically, I'm gonna just have to